Pricing is one of those things that if you're an entrepreneur can definitely be a mindset issue, right? But I'm here to tell you that it's time to recognize your true worth and stand confidently behind your pricing. You've put in the hard work, you've honed your skills and poured your heart into your craft. So now it's time to shout it from the rooftops. And confidence is your secret weapon. When you believe in your own value, others will too. Your confidence is magnetic and it exudes trust and reliability, drawing people in. So the next time you're discussing pricing with a client or showcasing your products, let that unwavering self-assurance shine through. Allow your passion and your expertise to light up the room and witness how your worth becomes undeniable. Sure, you might encounter the occasional pushback or haggling when it comes to pricing, and some may even question your rates, but have faith in your abilities and the value that you bring. Yes, it's fine to be open to discussion, but also recognize when it's time to stand your ground. Trust your instincts and never settle for less than you deserve. Remember that your pricing isn't just a number, it's a reflection of your expertise and the quality of your work and the dedication that you put into honing your craft. It sends a powerful message to the world about the value you offer and the standards you uphold. So don't apologize for what you bring to the table. Just make sure that you confidently communicate your worth. Now, take a deep breath and release any lingering doubts. Embrace your worth wholeheartedly and infuse your pricing with the confidence that it deserves. You are talented, skilled, and destined for success. So embrace it, my friend. Imagine what could happen if you fully believed in the incredible value that you bring. How would that transform your pricing decisions and the way you present your products or services to the world?